Hello, this video is on how to complete the General Program Information page for program modifications and new programs. Please note there may be a new interface, edits or revisions to content or fields on some pages in which a new video may not be created. A new video will be made if any edits or revisions substantially change the functionality of each page. Please also note that for program modifications, existing data will already exist from the previous active version of the program you are modifying. In a program modification, on this page you would find the existing data and update any information that is needed. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will go to a blank canvas to show you how to work through the page. For new programs, you'll be required to put the date of Educational Program Proposal Committee approval. You can get that from the Office of Instruction if you do not have it. Once you've inputted the date, you would then select the top code for your program. If you need assistance finding a top code, please click here and you will get a list of the top codes that are appropriate for your program. Once you find the top code that's appropriate for your program, go ahead and select it. Enter your degree or certificate name. Next, select your award type. The AA degree and the AS degree are considered our local degrees. The AAT and the AST are considered transfer degrees that have a statewide template that is followed by all colleges. You can only have these two designations if your program has a template to follow. We also have our Certificate of Achievements, and we have our Certificates of Career Preparation. Now, if this is a new certificate that is hopeful to be a Certificate of Achievement, we will start off as a Certificate of Career Preparation. This means that it would wait approval from the Chancellor's Office, and once it gets approval from the Chancellor's Office, we could change it to a Certificate of Achievement. We also have our non-credit options, our Certificate of Competency, and our Certificate of Completion. Once you've selected an award type, select your academic and career community. Please enter your proposed start date. Note that proposals generally take effect beginning with the academic year following the curriculum cycle for which the proposal is under consideration. For example, proposals launched in spring 2023 will generally take effect in fall 2024. Next, select your ACC. We have it listed as school/ACC right now because we used to have schools, and this is to help with that transition process. Once you've done that, select your department within that ACC, and as well as your subject code. Next, we'll select our Chancellor's Office program goals. The transfer goal is only designated for our associate degrees for transfer, also known as our ADTs. That's the AAT and the AST I showed earlier. Also for our University of California transfer pathways and our CSU, GE, and IGETC patterns, or moving forward our CalGETC pattern. These are the only programs that can be classified as transfer. Next we have CTE, which is Career Technical Education. Any top code that has an asterisk would be considered CTE. So you would go ahead and click on CTE. The final one is local. That's our AA degree or our AS degree. That means it serves a community need or it could facilitate transfer. For this proposal, I'll go ahead and select CTE. If this is a new program, we're also going to ask that you upload the Educational Program Proposal Committee's approval letter. If it's a modification, you will not see this. And that is how you complete the General Program Information page.